In an era of rapid change, how can the manufacturing industry maintain its competitiveness? Let's explore how Lentec SynFactory is changing the rules of the industry. Liuyine Enterprise is dedicated to the design, manufacturing of couplers, including quick couplers, high-pressure couplers, and nozzles, etc. Through continuous innovation and adherence to high-standard quality management, Liuyine has earned customer trust and achieved ISO 9001 quality management certification, committed to providing customers with excellent products and outstanding service.
Taiwan's metal processing industry has largely shifted to small volume and high variety production mode. Coupled with the severe labor shortage, these broad environmental trends are making management even more challenging. Liuyine has more than 30 equipment. If alarms occur without immediate detection, they will affect production capacity and delivery. The factory environment is heavily polluted with oil, causing machining drawings to turn yellow and make them difficult to be preserved. It's inefficient for employees spending significant time shuttling between the office and the factory to transfer files by USB. To address these issues, digital transformation is imperative. By machine networking, we achieve full connectivity among all CNC equipment. This enables real-time statistical analysis of equipment production status, immediate notification of equipment anomalies, and visualization on the dashboard. Distributing files from the office to machines, facilitating easy access to file transfer records, reducing errors, and shortening the time required for file transfer. Machining drawings are digitized and displayable on the controller, preventing damage to drawings, and facilitates quick access for operators. Lentec SynFactory is built on the foundation of Syntec's control expertise for years, starting from the controller to connect and collect data from machines. Not only does Lentec specialize in the metal processing industry, but it also integrates comprehensive after-sales support, making it user-friendly and intuitive. That's why we chose Lentec. For Liuyine, digital transformation has also enhanced our factory's competitiveness and corporate image.
SynFactory, as the expert in smart manufacturing, leverages machine networking to transmit real-time production data, enabling rapid digital transformation of the entire factory. Expert in smart manufacturing, Syntec and Lentec.